Hi everybody, I'm Elisa Shapiro and I'm going to be your instructor for financial accounting this semester. I wanted to put together this screencast, quick video to help you get started navigating the course and pointing out some important first steps you should take in order to be successful in this particular class. So to begin, I'm going to tell you to start by going to your Lion's Den account. This is my account, and so it will look a little different than yours. I have different classes, different tabs. But once you're in your account, you should see our course under Canvas. And here it is, ACCT 101-90V. Right? If you click on that, it's going to open, and it brings you right to the home page. I'm going to put this in student view. So as much as I can explain, this is what it would look like to you. So you're going to come to this home page. Of course, read my introduction. I placed here a copy of this video will be embedded below. You can rewatch it at any time. And this is your home page. After reading that, you're going to see that I suggest you head over to modules. This menu with the white background is our course navigation. So if you click on modules, it is going to give you an organization of our course by module. Within each module is an introduction, a summary, links to your assignments, suggestions on how to approach a particular chapter. So you should see all these here that I have on this screen. You take these modules in order. So if I open the Getting Started module, I'm going to see a text page that also says Getting Started. I'm going to click on that. It's going to give you a series of informational items here that you should read. Some of them have a link, like this will give you access to our syllabus. So I'm going to ask you to open that up and read it thoroughly. My rules and objectives are in there. The course grading system is in there. And extremely importantly is the course calendar of due dates. There are due dates in there that you should know. You should refer to this every day and see what's coming up or what is going to be due. Any questions once you review that, please reach out and let me know. All right, there's more information here. There is a link to information on buying the book and a link to your first assignment, which is the introduction discussion board, and that is due on the 5th, okay, which is Saturday, I believe. So get that in. Let's go back to modules and look at chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 module, when you open it up, and all the chapters will be the same, so we'll just look at one. It's going to give you a summary of the chapter and what the chapter is covering. It will also give you an itemized list of directions to how to complete the chapter, reading the introduction, the learning objectives, the chapter, and then you will always have a link to the assignment you must complete. When you click on this link, and I can't do it right now because the course isn't open, it will bring you from Canvas to Pearson's My Accounting Labs. You absolutely must access our assignments from these links in Canvas. You cannot enter Pearson My Accounting Labs externally. So please keep that in mind. The first time you click on this link, it's going to ask you to enter the MyLabs code you have either already purchased, or it's going to give you an opportunity to purchase the code right then and there. My recommendation is to do this immediately. The biggest mistake many students make is to wait to get registered with MyLabs. So please get that code. If for some reason you feel you need to wait a couple of days, you're waiting on a paycheck or something like that, use the 14-day free trial. Keep in mind, however, when that trial expires, it is your responsibility to have acquired the permanent purchase code and transferred your information over, which I think is a very easy process. You just have to put in the purchase code. So keep that in mind. There's also a link to the homework once you're in Canvas, and once you are registered with MyLabs, every time you click on these links, you'll automatically be transferred there. There's also a link for a discussion board. Every chapter has a discussion board. There are also a couple research discussion boards, and those are within Canvas. So you won't be transferred out for those. I exited the student view because I want to show you, you will all have in this menu, once you're registered, access here. It says My Lab and Mastering. That is a link. And if you click Open My Lab and Mastering, it's going to take you to Pearson's site. Now, I already showed you, you can go directly to the assignments by clicking the assignment links within the modules. But also in Pearson, what I want you all to take advantage of is this multimedia library that you see here. When you click on it, there are so many resources available for you for review, but every chapter, importantly, I'm choosing chapter 1, then I'm clicking video. These are your lecture videos for the chapter, and then some. So anything that says video, I am going to encourage you to watch. Okay? So if you start with the first one, chapter lecture video, it opens up. They're all several minutes long. Right. To our first video. Counting in the business environment. There you go. Just so you know them. They're pretty clear. They're very well done. They cover the main objectives. Any questions after reading, after the PowerPoints, after the videos, for the homework, anything you've observed, you reach out to me directly, you come to office hours, or you put something in the discussion board and I will respond. That is really everything I just wanted to show you. That's the important things to get started. More questions will come up, I'm sure. So reach out to me again. The best way to reach me is via email, and my email is on that course syllabus. I am looking forward to getting to know each of you by reading your introductions and then speaking to you in the various discussion boards. This class will be available for you probably Tuesday evening. All right, so you would not see it on your Canvas dashboard until then. That's it. That's it for now. I will see everyone on Wednesday, and have a good week.